I wanted to talk to you about a measurement tool that's borrowed from our friends in traditional Chinese medicine, and it's called the Cun measurement tool. It's a fantastic way to record and to communicate the position of a trigger zone when you're looking at a patient and their treatment. Let's have a look at how that works. It's a proportional measurement tool. So if you looked at this area of the body, the forearm, for example, and we're on the anterior surface of the forearm, the distance from the elbow crease in the cubital fossa here and the wrist crease is known as 12 cun. And that is proportional. So if I had somebody who was much larger than Grace here, their distance from these 2 points would still be 12 cun. Now let's have a look over here, for example. In the leg, another measurement from here to here, from the knee to the lateral malleolus, is actually 16 cun. It's also useful to note that you can use your own hands, which is really important. This is how it all works. Your own hands to describe a measurement and therefore record and communicate where a trigger zone might be. For example, the distance here across your fingers is actually 3 cun, and the distance here across my thumb, the interphalangeal joint, is 1 cun. So if I wanted to explain to somebody where I found a trigger zone on the forearm, for example, we'll borrow this forearm here, and on the lateral side of the forearm I found a trigger zone, and in brachioradialis I might say that it's 1 cun down from the elbow crease. So I place my thumb here and I say that that trigger zone is 1 cun down, and that's because I'm approximately the same size as this patient. I look and say, well, that's about 1 cun, and that's the spot here. If I wanted to say that it's 3 cun down from the elbow crease, I might pop my hands here, and then I pop my finger there, and that might be about 3 cun. And I may make adjustments depending on their proportion compared to me. It's important to remember, though, that this is only a proportional measurement and not an exact measurement. And it's only used as a guide. Try to find the points using your own palpation, which is great because that's what you do every day of the week anyway.